12 interesting inventions that you may not know. Hello and welcome back to Technology. Today we've got something really exciting for you. We're going to dive into the fascinating world of inventions. These are 12 innovative creations that you might not be aware of yet, but they have the potential to change the way we live, work, and play. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Solar-powered water purifier. This invention combines solar technology with water purification. It typically consists of solar panels that generate electricity to power a water purification system. The solar energy can be used to sterilize water, remove contaminants, and make it safe for drinking, especially in areas with limited access to clean water sources. It's environmentally friendly and can be a lifesaver in remote regions and during emergencies. Number 2. eSkin. eSkin, or electronic skin, is a flexible, wearable material embedded with sensors. These sensors can monitor various biological parameters such as heart rate, temperature, and even muscle activity. eSkin holds immense potential in healthcare, sports, and entertainment. It could help with early disease detection, improve athletes' performance, and enable immersive experiences through augmented reality interfaces. Number 3. The Ocean Cleanup Project. Founded by Boyan Slat, this project aims to combat the enormous problem of plastic pollution in our oceans. It utilizes passive floating systems to collect and concentrate plastic debris, making it easier to extract and recycle. This project is vital in addressing the global issue of marine plastic pollution and protecting marine ecosystems. Number 4. The Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation concept developed by Elon Musk. It involves a low-pressure tube with capsules that travel at high speeds using magnetic levitation. With its potential to achieve incredible speeds and reduce travel time significantly, it could revolutionize long-distance travel, making it more efficient and sustainable. Number 5. Bee drones. Bee drones are small, unmanned aerial vehicles designed to pollinate plants, mimicking the essential work of bees. These drones could play a crucial role in pollinating crops, especially as bee populations decline due to environmental factors. They have the potential to ensure agricultural productivity and food security. Number 6. Vertical forests. Vertical forests are architectural designs that incorporate extensive greenery, including trees and plants, on the exterior of skyscrapers. These living buildings provide multiple benefits, such as air purification, reduced energy consumption, and improved urban aesthetics. They represent a sustainable approach to urban development. Number 7. Portable DNA sequencer. Portable DNA sequencers are handheld devices that can quickly analyze DNA. They are used in various fields, including medicine, forensics, and environmental research. The portability and speed of these devices make them valuable for diagnosing genetic diseases, solving crimes, and studying biodiversity in remote areas. Number 8. Bionic contact lenses. Bionic contact lenses are wearable technology that incorporates tiny displays and sensors into contact lenses. These lenses can provide augmented reality experiences, such as displaying information in your field of vision, or they can be used to improve vision for individuals with visual impairments. They represent a futuristic integration of technology and healthcare. Number 9. Water seer. The water seer is a device that collects water from the atmosphere using a condensation process. It doesn't require electricity or fuel, making it ideal for areas with limited access to clean water sources. It's a sustainable solution for addressing water scarcity, especially in arid regions. Number 10. Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi, or light fidelity, is a communication technology that uses visible light to transmit data. It relies on LED lights that flicker at high speeds imperceptible to the human eye to carry information. Li-Fi offers the potential for incredibly fast and secure wireless communication with applications in data transfer, internet connectivity, and IoT, Internet of Things. Number 11. CRISPR-Cas9, gene editing. CRISPR-Cas9 is a revolutionary gene editing tool that allows scientists to precisely modify genes. It's like a molecular pair of scissors that can cut and replace specific DNA sequences. This technology has profound implications for medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. It offers the potential to treat genetic diseases, develop drought-resistant crops, and even eliminate certain pests. But it also raises ethical and safety concerns. Number 12. Quantum computing. Quantum computing harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at speeds far beyond what classical computers can achieve. Unlike traditional bits that represent either 0 or 1, quantum bits or qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize industries such as cryptography, materials science, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence. They can tackle complex problems that were previously unsolvable due to their sheer computational power, but they are still in the experimental and developmental stages, facing various technical challenges. And there you have it, 12 fascinating inventions that you might not have known about. These innovations are proof that the human spirit of innovation and creativity knows no bounds. Which one of these inventions impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.